Tesla is the unit of magnetic field strength. 1 Tesla is equals to 1 Weber per meter square, where Weber is the unit of magnetic flux. Also, 10 to the power 6 microtesla is equals to 1 Tesla. Understand the reason behind this. First, we need to know how moon was created and where was it placed in its early existence. Many theories to explain the formation of moon, but the most accepted is giant impact theory. Dynamo, a machine for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy, typically by means of rotating coil placed in magnetic field. But in our context, core of moon was very liquid and the moving core acted as rotating coil, thus generating magnetic fields by electric currents. Convection is the process by which heat is transferred by movement of heated fluid. Given the size of moon only about quarter of Earth's diameter, the moon should have cooled relatively quickly, so a lunar dynamo powered solely by convection should have persisted only for a few million years at most, until about 4.1 billion years ago. It is important to study the magnetic fields of moon-like bodies, क्योंकि magnetic fields shield कर सकते हैं planets को from space winds, also known as stellar winds. These stellar winds can take away water from atmosphere of planets. Thus, these magnetic fields are very important for planetary habitability. The fact that the moon's magnetic field lasted longer than we thought suggests us कि alien moons and planets may also have magnetic fields that can survive for a long time, और potentially वहाँ extraterrestrial life को shelter मिला हो